This idea of selling the soul isn't just poetry. It's a deal, a spiritual contract, where one gives up guidance in exchange for dunya. And Shaytan has always been in the business.
إن الشيطان لكم عدو فاتخذوه عدوا إنما يدعو حزبه ليكونوا من أصحاب السعير.
Shaytan promises of power, success, fame. In return, Shaytan demands loyalty, obedience, corruption of the heart.
إن الذين يكتمون ما أنزل الله من الكتاب ويشترون به ثمنا قليلا أولئك ما يأكلون في بطونهم إلا النار ولا يكلمهم الله يوم القيامة ولا يزكيهم ولهم عذاب أليم. أولئك الذين اشتروا الضلالة بالهدى والعذاب بالمغفرة فما أصبرهم على النار ذلك بأن الله نزل الكتاب بالحق وإن الذين اختلفوا في الكتاب لفي شقاق بعيد.
Shaytan used music industry to influence millions through lyrics, images, and lifestyle. He makes evil look beautiful. He makes rebellion look like freedom. And we sing along. This is the world we live in, where success is measured in followers, not faith. Here are some examples.
I sold my soul to the devil. I know it's a crappy deal. This it came with a few toys like a Happy Meal.
You know, what was going on in my life at 15, and that's how I got introduced to the music industry. I swear I wanted to be like the Amy Grant of music. Yeah. But it didn't work out, and so I sold my soul to the devil.
Why do you still do it? Why are you still out here?
Well, it goes back to the destiny thing. I mean, I made a bargain with it, you know, a long time ago, and I'm holding up my end.
What was your bargain?
To get where I am now.
Should I ask who you made the bargain with?
with you know, with the chief commander.
On this earth?
And this earth, and then in a world we can't see.
Frequency's weird, and you know, it's sounding a little bit strange, and I'm like, if you don't get this right now, I swear to Lucifer, I'm gonna, you know, I get a little bit mad.
And I'm signing it. I'm going to have my first record ever and selling my soul to Hollywood Records. That's what I'm doing.
I sold my soul to the devil, I'll never get it back. I just want to leave this game with level head intact.
What I'm about to say, but as far as this music stuff, I won't be doing this music stuff anymore. I started this because this was my dream, and you know, I wanted to make sure I could get me and my kids a hood. It's always been my passion to rap. A while ago, I had signed a contract, and I didn't know nothing about the business or this game out here. And just right now, I'm realizing that I signed my soul. I sold my soul to the devil.
I sold my soul to the devil.
I signed my soul to the devil. I don't even own myself no more. I sold my soul to the mother devil, and I done prayed. I prayed and I prayed and I prayed. You know, it's just like, I don't know if God can get me out of this, you know.
Billie Eilish admitted she sold her soul to the devil in her song Bury a Friend, and this might be the creepiest music video I've ever seen.
Gotta sell my soul, cause I can't say no, I can't say no.
You might ask, what debt does she owe? Well, probably the record-breaking amount of Grammys she's earned in her career. I mean, her voice is good, but damn! This music video, All Good Girls Go to Hell, she starts off as an angel falling from heaven, crashing down to the ground, and waking up as the devil. And we all know this is the story of Lucifer in the Bible. If you're not creeped out yet, check out her live performances.
I wanna end me.
Did Drake reveal his secrets or selling his soul in his concert? It starts with him sitting on a bed as a young teenager growing up on his favorite shows like Family Matters and Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. We then see the transition into stardom where we see his role in Degrassi. After that, he goes to bed, still a young teenager. The lights turn off and there's a spotlight. Jumping and flying and dancing around the spotlight is this shadow demon looking figure. It starts to fly around him and multiple different spirits are spawned, creating a circle which eventually creates a portal. And out of the portal the spirits made comes out Drake. They truly don't care anymore. The Weeknd just posted this on his story.
Push it to the contract.
Louis, I'm scared.
You are. Good.
And keep in mind, his last song is called Popular, and it's about someone who would do anything to become popular, even sell her soul.